Hello everybody and welcome to Masterclass 3 for gifted and talented students, brought to you by the Mathematics Department. For this week's Gifted and Talented Masterclass Challenge, the theme follows on superheroes from the Language Acquisition Department and the English Department. Your aim for the end of this masterclass is, as you can see there, we would like you to create top trump cards that we can then use as starters in lessons and can be used by the different year groups as mathematical challenges. Okay, you must have mathematical problems which then can be solved to work out the ratings of the superheroes. And we're going to use the 4 branches of mathematical study, which we'll go into a little bit later. So, there is a template provided for you, which I will share in ManageBack. Okay, you use that template to create 4 of your own top trump cards, and they can be any superhero that you choose. You add the picture in there and then create the mathematical problems and the answers in there as well. So here is an example, one we've created from superheroes in the math department. So there you have Mr. Ryan, the Ryanator, okay, with 4 superhero ratings. You can't see them very clearly because they're in blue, but it says special powers at the top, then speed, then strength, then technology, and each one of those ratings has a score to the right hand side. Okay, so what you must do is open the Word document, look at the example provided, okay, use the template, and then, as I've said, each superhero rating, and that rating must be between -100, okay, and positive 100, so it can fall between those two, so you've got 200 to play with. Okay, that needs to be accompanied by a mathematical problem. Okay, so when you solve that mathematical problem, it will then work out to the rating of your superhero. Okay, the 4 categories will match the 4 branches of mathematical studies. So special powers must be numerical and abstract reasoning, speed must be thinking with models, strength must be spatial reasoning, and technology must be reasoning with data. Okay. Any questions on this, you can join the Zoom support session on a Sunday or Tuesday. Myself, Mr. Ryan or Mr. Coughlin will be there to support and help where needed. Okay, so here's an example from Mr. Coughlin, Mathsman. So on there he has 4 superhero ratings, and on the front of the card his picture. On the reverse of the card on the back, okay, you would have then got the mathematical problems. So special powers says at 9 p.m. the temperature in Greenland was -4. The temperature drops by 9 degrees Celsius at night. What is the temperature at 1 a.m? Okay, and the answer to that is the rating Mathsman has for special powers. Okay, fairly simple. And the rest of the mathematical problems follow on from that. Okay, so there is a 1 for speed that works out to 31. There is a 1 for strength that the angle of y equals to 35, and for technology the answer of the main score is 40. Okay, once you've created your top trump cards, submit them to me, email them through. Okay, I will have a look at them. If there's anything that I need you to possibly amend, or I'll check the answers. Okay, we can then send them back to you. If not, I will collect them together, and what I will do, I will get them created for the start of next academic year so we can use them as starters in lessons. We'll get them printed out and laminated. Okay, Your global context is identities and relationships, key concept, relationships, related concepts, connections. Our statement of inquiry, we need to pay close attention to relationships in mathematics, particularly making connections between associated concepts. Okay, and your inquiry question, can we make logical connections between different strands of mathematics? And these are the strands of mathematics that we will be using next academic year in MYP Mathematics. Good luck. Any questions or queries, please email myself, Mr. Coughlin, Mr. Ryan, or attend the Zoom sessions 2 p.m. on a Sunday and a Tuesday. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your submissions.